and you pull them out
Graduation.
together. And how I can't explain. Oh yeah, yeah, you. You make all my dreams come true. Yeah. On the night when bad dreams become a screamer, when they're messing with the dreamer, I can laugh it in the face. Twist and shout my way out and wrap yourself around me, 'cause I ain't the way you found me, and I'll never be the same. Oh yeah, well you make all my dreams come true.
Love, nandito na tayo sa pagkakataong ito. Ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin. At mula sa araw na ito, ay ipinapangako ko na ikaw at ako hanggang huli. Hindi perpekto ang pagmamahalan natin. Ngunit yun, ang masasabi kong naging dahilan kung bakit tayo umabot sa araw na ito. Nang dahil sa mga pagkakamali, mga pag-iyak at pagsubok na ating pinagdaanan, natutunan kong mahalin ka kung sino ka talaga.
Everything is elegant, colorful and porcelain. We'll never feel this way again. We'll never feel this way again. Everything is elegant, beautiful and innocent. I wanna feel this way again. I wanna feel this way again. For you I'd fight and fall. For you I'd fight and fall. For you I'd fight and fall. Oh, oh, oh. For you I'd fight and fall. For you I'd fight and fall.
Hi, love. Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. This symbolizes my love for you. I love you. Ingatan mo to, purot pag nalaglag. Joke. I love you, baby. Love, Jane.
Everything feels new again. Muted tones and violence. I never looked this way again. Never looked this way again. Darling, you look delicate. Face it, I just can't forget. I wanna feel this way again. I wanna feel this way again. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. Oh, oh, oh. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. Oh, oh, oh. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. Everything is
Love. Ito na yung araw na pinakihintay natin. Yung araw na palagi natin pinagpapanata noon pa man. Ito rin yung araw na iniharap na kita sa Ama para sa bago nating pahina. Salamat sa walang pagod na pag-aalaga mo sa akin, sa pagmamahal, sa saya o lungkot. Nandiyan ka palagi para sa akin.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold.